Oh, nay, nay, said the horse. Want to go for a ride? Horse! Nay, nay. Yeah. Oh, and there's a fly. The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. Can you feel? Feel. Do you feel the web? That's the silky thread. Cow! Moo, moo, says the cow. Oh, want to eat some grass? Look, you see the fly? Yeah, that old pesky fly. And there's his foot. And there's your foot. Look at your foot. Oh, the spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. Can you sit? Sit. Good job. Oh, sheep. Ba, ba. Yeah. Want to run in the meadow? Oh, look, Flynn, there's the fly. The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. Here, open your hand. You feel it? Open your hand. Do you feel that web? Coming from the